It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Getting a little creepy out there. Storm blowing in, so I thought I'd do another Halloween video. Kept my hat on. I was going to review this, but you know what? I want to go and get my Raven water globe because I want to kind of compare the two because there's a similarity to the Raven in this piece. So I'm going to actually do that probably tomorrow. Maybe I'll do it later tonight if my power's not off. But I wanted to talk about this piece. This is the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I feel like this could actually be, I got my tea by the way. I feel like this could be a fall piece or a Halloween piece, which is why I kind of like it. So this is a really shiny piece. A lot of people were kind of getting sick of the metallics though. A lot of people I was reading in the comments, and I kind of get it. Bath & Body Works does do like a lot of metallic stuff lately. I think a lot of people would have preferred on the carriage if this was like a black wrought iron, kind of like the wallflower. The silver does give it kind of an odd look, so I get that, but I mean, this is still like, flick it on here, absolutely stunning. So I'm still glad I got this, but I can see what people are saying about maybe they wished it was like a black wrought iron. So again, this is another metallic piece, and these are reflective, so they're kind of hard to photograph too. And this one actually has a light up element. I'm like, you know what? I might actually need this if my power goes out later. So you could use it just as, you know, it's hard because there's a button back here. You could maybe put it this way and it kind of looks like a fall piece. And then there's actually a spider on the front. So the pumpkin is, what is the cost on this one? $49.95. Did I pay $49.95 for this? Oh my goodness. I thought this was $34. This was a pricey piece. It is glass, I think. I think it's glass. It feels kind of like glass. I can't tell unless it's like it might be a plastic. You know, maybe it is plastic. It's kind of got like a, you know, a dual feel here. A spider web on the top. Oh my gosh, did I pay $49 for this? I didn't even look at the price. Gosh. So anyway, it is a candle holder. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I paid that much for this. Candle holder. It looks very pretty as a candle holder. I'm probably gonna wait for like pumpkin carving to go on here because that's got like the whole jack-o'-lantern thing going on. But the Scooby-Doo mystery in this is that it lights up and it's got a button. I'll have to say I love the button. The button is so much easier than the switch. I wish everything had the button. So you ready? I'm going to light it up. I'm going to light it up. And what do you see inside the pumpkin? You see a really kind of creepy skull going on. So this is what it looks like, not lit up. You light it up and there's a total like creep factor skull. So, I like this piece. I don't know why. There were two of them at my store when I was there. Was it yesterday? Oh my goodness. Could have been yesterday. This week has just been great. No, it was yesterday. Was it yet? No, it was Monday. Oh my goodness. Day is it, you guys? It's been a crazy week. It was Monday. I gotta get some tea. It's Monday. I got all this stuff. So anyway, yeah, I mean, it's pretty. I like it. I think it's worth $49. Actually, I kind of dote on this one. This one feels really pricey. And I get that it's a light up and everything, but this probably would be good. Maybe it's like a table centerpiece, or if you're having a party. I mean, the skull isn't super noticeable, but it's like noticeable enough that it gives off kind of like a classy, eerie feeling. So I don't know. I kind of like it. I really do. I think it's unique. I think it's like fun. But again, I'm feeling like that $49 price point is like, wow. Let me see if this one is online. Halloween. Where is Halloween? You know, it's funny. Oh, here, something awaits Halloween. What is this even called? I want to see if this is online. Did we get anything new online today, by the way? Like the snake holder? Oh yeah, it's called the pumpkin skull. That's what it's called, and it is $49. It's getting really good reviews. Everyone's really liking it. So, it says, yeah, it looks high end. Oh my gosh, see, that's what I was thinking. I'm thinking a lot of people are going to like this better than the fortune teller water globe because the fortune teller one looks a little bit hokey, but I kind of like it. But this one does look super classy. So I don't know. I mean, I kind of have a mixed feeling about this. I don't know. Remember last year we had the pumpkin with the legs on it? That was actually kind of, it was like a spider pumpkin. That was kind of cool. But this will make a nice addition to my collection, and it does have like that woohoo high-end classy look. Anyway, let me know what you think of this one. Is it worth $49? I may be on later depending on the weather. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.